Welcome to Abstralbras. In this video, I will guide you through how to reset Roblox age group or how to change your age on Roblox. To do that, open Roblox app, click More button from the left, click on Settings button, click Account Info, and in front of Did we get your birthday right, click Reset button. You can reset Roblox age group once. Click Continue to confirm the action. After this, we'll have to verify age again. You can also ask a parent to do this for you. So we can continue with camera or we can continue with ID. I will continue with ID. Let's verify by providing 6-digit code from email. It says let's use the camera to verify your birthday. And also we will need a government ID. Click Continue. Select your country from the drop-down list. Hit Continue. Choose National ID or Passport. I will choose National ID. Now here we'll have to provide photo of our government ID. So if you have camera or webcam in your PC, you can choose this option. Click Continue and take photos of your government ID. But I don't have the webcam or camera in my PC. So I'll press Continue on another device. And I'll take these photos from my mobile device. To do that, I'll scan the QR code. After uploading ID photo, they will ask you to upload your selfie. After doing so, they will verify your age and then you'll see this message. We verified your age as 21 or older. You can use chat and party features with people in similar age groups, access restricted experiences, and collaborate in studio. So this is how you can reset Roblox age group or change your age on Roblox. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.